Hello everyone, hello. It's your girl Lady J, and if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, and so I come across one video, and that video where Lady T do, So when I see the video, when one girl say this girl with the art film Tico, Destiny Tico, with the art film we get a big bumbo. I know the girl now. But they cash and well for film, So when they bring one girl, because the girl just they come up, So the girl say they always they laugh if they're the art film. They always they laugh say in fact I don't know. So because of that one, they get one bonnet when they call they insult Like I was like, you see one video, get one video when I do that, when I say don't look down on yourself. You understand me? Appreciate yourself the way you be. You understand me? So when I see the video, I was like, is this girl, is she kidding me right now? So because maybe you Nana, you still say maybe you slim, or because maybe you get big bumbo for back. You not slim, my dear. More than not, they bring all those people who just they come up. More than not, they bring them down. More than they encourage them. You understand? Even me when I want to start this YouTube, so many people they engage me. So many people they even come greet me again because I had to do YouTube. I not even just let them even weigh me down. Not people where they call me say, don't let anybody bring you down. No, so many better people where they call me, they encourage me. Not let anybody bring you down. No, not let anybody bring you down. Not even look comment. Even anybody insults you, forget. Continue what you are doing. Just continue. You understand? Because that girl, what she want to do now to bring that girl down. But not let that thing weigh you down, my dear. Don't let her weigh you. Now, if you let that thing weigh you, they know if you do anything. Don't look people face. Do what you like to do. What you come for your own mind. Don't let anybody tell you, say, see what to do. Don't look down on yourself. Appreciate yourself. You understand me? And just know what you're going to eat at the right time. Say you're going to look down on yourself because say one person talk about you. My dear, you no go grow. You no go anywhere. You understand, my people? So when I see the video, I just do small video. They talk put. You understand? Because I know say that girl, the thing really pain her. Before she come cry, come out. I said the thing really pain her. But don't let anybody bring you down. Don't let anybody. If you want to do anything, like when they do my advert that time now. Don't let anybody, so people you say, I beg people too many ways to do that business. Don't let anybody deceive you. Do it. Don't let anyone where they say you want to stay sad because your husband say they stay sad. My dear, you go lose. Now you go lose at the end. You understand? Do what it please you. Do what it come for your mind. Don't let anybody bring you down, I beg. Do what it come for your own mind. For your own mind, you understand? So all those people will be saying, I don't say for the industry now. I'm gonna bring person down. It's not good. It's not good for now. More than they bring anybody down again. More than they appreciate everybody. More than they make everybody they happy. You understand? Encourage her. Encourage that girl where did that film industry. Encourage her so that she go move forward. Don't be say you can't just like they bring her down because of one. Because say you don't take there, they look yourself now, say you too much, all those things. This guy won't come better pass you now. No. You know, see Mercy Johnson, they always they praise Genevieve because when he come, Genevieve take her, he embrace her with full hand. You know, make her feel lowly, like feel bad. He make sure say he put her through. That is why they always they praise Genevieve every time. You understand? So why you Destiny, if you do unto another person, do unto another person, so that girl he go see you, he go see the tell people say, and Destiny I put her through, now he make her dey fit act this film before him be not fit to, you know. So not be say you gonna bring her down because of when I even see her, she not too fat like that, she dey okay. So what will be your problem? Must everybody be like you? Everybody must not be like you. You understand me? So when I want to bring anybody down again. So thank you everybody and take care. Until I come your way next time, remain Lady J. Bye.